So the highlight of the day was VSD, long only. This is one of the strategies in our beta workspace. Some of you have it in the All Strategy Access. It's gone through a little bit of a drawdown here. You saw the other night, Nasdaq way up here at near all-time highs, up $5,000, rolled over, stopped out. Yesterday, one loss. Started the session yesterday with a loss, and so you're sitting here on 3 losses in a row, and it gets back in again. And then you're in a scenario where it's up over 1,000. Comes back here, looks like it's about to get stopped out, and then it goes up. So trading this wasn't easy, but it's up 53.40 on the day from these two trades, and it's at brand new equity peak. So the highlight of the day is this new strategy that we are looking at for 2021 portfolios called VSD Breakout Long Only. So right here at new equity peaks, we released this strategy, and it had gone parabolic, then it pulled back, and start trading it right here was a good time to trade it. When it hasn't made equity peaks in a while and it's coming into new equity peaks, it can also be a good time to trade. So I always talk about buying pullbacks on strategies. When it's in a drawdown is a good time to get in, but if it's been a while since it's made an equity peak, it can also be a good time to trade it. So for example, this strategy went through this drawdown, it made new equity peaks here, and then that would have been a good time to trade it because there's a little bit of time between these equity peaks, more than say back here. So then it had a run, and so now it's been a little bit of time. We'll see. It depends on the direction too. You know, if the Nasdaq continues to go higher, it seems like the stock market is stuck in long-only mindset. It's hard to short it, and so good trade today on VSD. Let's look at the rest of the trades in the beta workspace first, since we're already here. EVP1 minus 22,050. Gap continuation with a big stop loss of $700. $700 is not really a big stop loss, but it was bigger than the $300 stop loss. And it looks like it just got caught up in the noise. We might actually need more like a $1,000 or $2,000 stop loss on this strategy, or a delayed entry, getting in at a better price, or even fading these moves and using the stop loss as the profit target. We've talked about that. Just really compressed market right now as VIX drops. Viper at 1540 in this window here disappeared on me, so I'll have to bring that up. That's our money printing Federal Reserve that's worked since March. It hadn't traded much lately. EV2 Gold, tick fader, no trades. And let's look at the ES. So not a lot of trades. A 60-minute breakout went long here, 35.66.75. It was down on the day, actually up on the day. It's down on the session. It's the evening session now. So it was up on the day plus 337.50, and it's the currently down 150 on the day. The daily P&L gives you the daily P&L, so it's down on the day, but it's up on the trade still, since it's long for 35.66.75. Adaptive moving average plus 137.50. You see the narrow nature of this market. It was Veterans Day today. The bonds were closed, by the way. Happy Veterans Day to those of you who are veterans. Thankful for your service. And so quiet day, kind of a bond holiday on Veterans Day. And so 60-minute breakout short. This is the reversal version. You go short, you reverse at the stop loss to the long. And so the long trade was up, but it was down on the day overall. End of the day down, I guess minus 1250 or minus 150 on the day. And then so we're looking for a profit target here, 20-point profit target. It's got to hit 35.84.25, so 13 points away. And so those are the not many trades. Slow day. We had adaptive moving average, 60-minute breakout short, and then 60-minute breakout long. Take those trades. E-mini Nasdaq, gap continuation, the $300 stop loss version lost twice, minus 650, and that's gap continuation 2019. The $700 version lost once, and the gap continuation 2020 has a little bit different criteria. It lost once on a $300 stop loss, needed a little bit bigger stop loss on this. minus 325. Stock index swing though was profitable, plus 475, and it's had, we're on it, 4 winners in a row on this. It can take advantage of gap continuations. That's not a gap continuation strategy. 60-minute breakout plus 975. So overall, pretty good trades in the Nasdaq with these two, and the gap continuations struggled on the day, with the VSD breakout being the big winner. You're always looking for, back to VSD breakout, we have Night Trader, did not trade last night. It's had 3 winners in a row, recovering a little bit from the steep drawdown we have, but VSD breakout, we're always looking for ways to catch that gap up overnight. That market, that trend at night at times tends to be the biggest move of the day, and then you get in a day session and it's choppy. And so Night Trader starts a little later, VSD breakout starts a little earlier, and it's got a good back test and good trading so far since we've released it at new equity peaks. Gold, Asia Gold 4 short. It is we lost here about 1.3 points. 1964.80. This is 2 days ago. 1964.80 was where we covered. The high on the day was 1966.10, so 1.3 points away. And then on Tuesday's session, we definitely got stopped out. But then last night we got stopped out. 1881.90, high was 1882.50, 0.6 points. So 1.3 points and 0.6 points here were the difference between the stop loss and then having a nice profitable trade. So that could have been could have hit a $1,000 profit target easily had our stop loss been 140 points bigger here and 70 points bigger there. So a $700 stop loss would have worked well lately on this strategy as volatility continues to increase and ranges increase. Interesting to see the next move in gold. Will it continue higher or will it roll over further at this point? Silver, no trades. Crude oil, we had these trades. These long trades were holding overnight. SR counter trend 3A and B. Long from 41.67, looking to hit a profit target. Gold, crude oil has been strong lately. Crude oil, soybeans have been strong lately. Bonds have been down. You have to keep inflation in the back of your mind somewhere and how that will affect the stock market if these commodity prices rise and interest rates go up. No trades in natural gas. RBOB, no trades. Euro, 1 trade. Cobra Euro plus 87.50. Soybeans. SR counter trend 2. Got a little bit of this long trade here, plus 275 on the day. And those are the trades on the day. We had a gap continuation reversal strategy we talked about earlier in an earlier video. Encourage you to take a look at that and definitely look at VSD breakout. And VSD breakout is exclusive to TradeStation because some of the functions in there and volume and data are only related to TradeStation, so those can't be placed in NinjaTrader. So those are the trades on the day. Kind of a slow back and forth day. Not much, right around break even, a little bit depending on your portfolio. Some are a little bit down, some are a little bit up. So those are the trades on the day for November the 11th, 2020.